Are you looking for a coffee replacement that tastes great, has a body of coffee, and is healthy for you? Stay tuned. Mmm, that's good. Welcome to this episode of the Stress-Free Diet. Today we're talking about coffee substitutes that are caffeine-free. Now, there's no replacement for coffee, but when I stopped drinking coffee about 20 years ago because of headaches and making my hand shake, I went on a search for finding the best coffee substitute without caffeine. I have tried dozens of them, and they're all really good, but they're not great. And I finally found one that has the body and consistency the closest to coffee, and it's called roasted chicory. And it comes in a granular like this, if you can see that. I'll show close up in a minute. And what I do is, you could probably put this right into a regular coffee maker with the filter and the drip thing, but I don't do it that way. So what I do is I take it and I put it in my blender and I pulverize it to like a really fine powder. So I just take, I have a glass here. Normally I do a coffee mug, but this way you can see it. So I take the regular, like this Melitta cone filter and just a paper, number 4 paper filter that goes in there. So I place that there. I put, as you can see, basically one small scoop of this right into the top of that. And then take my boiling water and pour it right in. And it mixes it very quickly. Drains right through, as you can see. And it just soaks into the grinds and slowly brews it. And as you can see, the color is very similar to what coffee is. And it's got that kind of consistency. A lot of people, when they can't have caffeine, they go to the herbal teas. Herbal teas are great. A lot of them are very healthy. But they've got this kind of like watery texture, and you drink it, and it just doesn't have that body that coffee does. So this roasted chicory, I'll put a link on I get it on Amazon, but you can probably get it in health food stores and places like that. Chicory is a prebiotic. What that is, this is the stuff that your healthy bacteria in your gut likes to eat. So it goes well with probiotic. It gives your intestinal system really a good balance type of thing. It gives it the food that it likes to eat. So okay, so this is pretty much done. I'll just set this aside in here. And then I'll just show you that if you want to add a little, it's hot, but you can see it's like a nice, deep, rich, and you can add a little cream if you want. And there you go. It looks like coffee. It has the body of coffee. It doesn't taste like coffee, but I found it to be the best, closest I found. It's good. And this Ripple half and half, this is the closest, the best plant-based creamer I found. I'm sure there's other ones out there. Tell me what you think in the comments. But this is one I found to be the cleanest, and I get it at Sprouts. It's reasonably priced, and it has a really good. Well, that's good. So if you miss the body of coffee and the intensity of flavor, this is not watery by any means, and you can make it stronger or weaker if you want. Check out roasted chicory. I'll put links in the description box below. So until next time, stay healthy, wealthy, and wise.